Hi, Marco with our washers at Washmart.com, your Houston pressure washer store. We have John with Reelcraft with us today, and he's going to talk about their reels. I'm personally very impressed with the design on them. I particularly like the gooseneck that they have where the hose attaches to, and I like the fact that you can also sweep it around and do a reverse on it. But John, I'll go ahead and let you have it.
All right, so here's our two models. This is a CA321112, and then this is the 18-inch version. So we have a 12-inch and an 18-inch version. As Marco stated, one of our most popular features of this reel is the gooseneck inlet design, or outlet design. We make it really easy with 4 Allen head bolts right here to remove the gooseneck. So whenever you're installing a new hose on it, you can easily remove this and then connect it on to your hose and then bolt it back on. Some of the other features of this reel is the adjustable crank handle on it. So we can actually loosen this lock nut, and you can fold the crank handle out of your way for whenever it's not in use or if it's going to be obstruction. Also, on the side of the reel, we have a T-handle brake, so we can break down the drum if you're traveling down the road so you won't have your hose unwind. This reel is fully powder coated. It is individually powder coated at the plant and then bolted together. There's no welding on it, so it's very rigid design. These are made in America at our plant in Columbia City, Indiana. We can powder coat them to all different colors, whichever you need. So give us a call today if you have any questions. We can help you out. Thanks.
All right, I appreciate it, John. One selling point for me on this also is they all come with a super swivel. This is my swivel of choice. That's a very good choice of swivels right there. Most guys are familiar with those. All right, I'm Marco with our washers at Washmart.com, your Houston pressure washer store. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Call us at 713-979-7532. Thank you for watching.